In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate direct messages from Slack to Microsoft Teams. Migrating channels from Slack into Teams is usually fairly manageable, but direct messages are a different story. That's because Teams stores personal chats inside each user's Exchange online mailbox, rather than in one central location. As a result, Microsoft's built-in Slack migration option does not handle one-to-one messages or group chats. To move that data properly, you'll need to use a specialized third-party migration platform designed for enterprise chat migrations. Before you begin, make sure a few requirements are already in place. You need administrative access to both environments. You need the proper Slack export permissions for private data. And you need to confirm that your users exist in both systems with their accounts correctly mapped. The first part of the process is to configure your source and destination clouds. Sign in to your chosen migration platform using administrator access. From there, add Slack as the source and authenticate it so the migration platform can read your Slack workspace data. Then add Microsoft Teams as the destination and authenticate your Microsoft 365 environment so the tool can write chat data through the Microsoft Graph API. This creates the connection between both platforms and prepares the migration engine to work. Next, you'll need to recruit end-user authentication. Since direct messages are private, users must personally authorize access to their message history. In the migration platform, go to the User Direct Messages section. Select the users whose chats you want to migrate, then choose the Authenticate or Send Authorization Request option. Each selected user will receive a secure email prompting them to sign in and approve access. Keep in mind that a user's direct messages cannot be migrated until that user completes this step successfully. After that, move on to user mapping. In the dashboard, open the user mapping area and start with auto mapping. This works well when email addresses match in both systems. If some accounts don't match because of domain changes or account updates, upload a CSV mapping file with the correct pairings. Accurate mapping is essential since it ensures messages are associated with the right people in Teams. Once mapping is complete, do not start a full migration right away. Begin with a pilot run using a small test group of 3 to 5 users. In the migration settings, choose direct messages, including one-to-one chats and group chats as the migration target. If needed, apply a date filter to limit the history being moved. Then start the test migration and review the results in Microsoft Teams. One important note here. Because of Microsoft API limitations, migrated messages may appear as if they were posted by the migration tool. But the original sender's name, avatar, and timestamp are usually preserved within the message details. If the pilot looks accurate, you're ready for the full migration.